Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get a Stashfin loan. Stashfin provides instant personal loans designed to meet diverse financial requirements, from unexpected expenses to planned purchases. You can apply for amounts ranging from just 1,000 rupees up to 5 lakh rupees, offering great flexibility. The entire application journey is digital, ensuring a fast and convenient experience right from your device. To qualify for a Stashfin loan, you must be an Indian citizen and at least 18 years of age. A steady income is crucial, with a minimum monthly earning of 15,000 rupees usually expected. Furthermore, a strong credit history is vital. Aim for a credit score above 700 to enhance your chances of approval. Meeting these criteria sets a solid foundation for your application. The application process is remarkably simple. First, download the Stashfin mobile application from your App Store or navigate to their official website. Next, you will complete a straightforward online application form, providing your personal and financial information accurately. Finally, upload the required documents, such as your Aadhaar card or PAN card for identity, and bank statements or salary slips for income verification. This digital submission streamlines everything. Once your application is submitted, Stashfin's team quickly reviews all your details and uploaded documents. Upon successful verification and approval, the loan amount is promptly disbursed. The funds are directly transferred into your designated bank account, often within just 4 hours. In some cases, the transfer might take up to 2 full business days, ensuring you receive your money swiftly for your needs.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.